Good afternoon, guys. First of all, I want to thank Vantrue for sending us this product for the giveaway. I really appreciate it. It is a great product. You guys saw the review, you saw the footage. It's amazing in terms of the 4K camera in the front. I'm super excited, super pleased with the results. So let's not waste any time. We have a total of about 30 people that commented in the video, and it is 5:25 p.m. and it is June the 19th. So let's pick a winner together. Ready? Go. Oh my God, Christine, you won. Congratulations to you, Christine. Wow. Anyway, I will be reaching out to you, and please send me your contact info, and then we'll take it from there. Once again, congratulations to you. I'm so happy for you that you got this. You're gonna love it. I promise you, you will absolutely love it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for everybody that took part. Have an amazing day.